Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all around the world. Today is date night. I am pretty basic just because I'm not feeling very well. This rain has got my body in a bunch and I'm just not feeling it, so we are just going out to dinner. But I will put a picture in the corner or on the sides or wherever the pictures end up of my outfit so you can see. And just real quick, just to tell you what I'm wearing to create this basically no makeup look, is I'm wearing the Too Faced Peach Beach blush. I am wearing Stark all over my lid, the Anastasia brow pencil for my brows. For my lashes, I am doing Lancome Big Monsieur. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but I like the way this does on my lashes. For highlight, I don't know, the lighting is bad. The rain, I mean, it's just really dreary outside, but I am wearing Rodeo Drive for my highlight. I have it on my cheeks and I do have some on my brow bone, but I'm not sure if you can see that at all. And I am just wearing the Appeal holographic lip gloss on my lips. So today for you, I am reviewing my last Rocksbox. This is going to be super short, and I will throw pictures up in the corner just to remind you what these things were, but I basically just sent them all back like I said I would in the video that I put up today, Friday, date night. None of them were my style. So the first piece was the Ava Rose Cheyenne bracelet, and the retail price was $65 and the cost to me would have been $55. That was just too much like one of the bracelets that I had already kept previously, so I sent it back. The next thing was the Sophie Harper Pave X ring. The retail price was $60 and the cost to me would have been $51. I sent that back. If you watched the last video, you saw that it wasn't my style. And then the last thing was the Sophia Harper Trio Crystal Station necklace. The price to me, or I'm sorry, the retail price was $60. The cost to me would have been $51. And again, it just wasn't my style, so I sent it back. I am getting another box. It should get here either today or tomorrow. Hopefully that will be my last box. All pertinent information, the playlist will be down below. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on. That is down below. An announcement for a future giveaway, that is also down below. And of course, this is my birthday month, so videos will go up when I can get them up. I hope you all have a very great day and a great weekend. By the time this goes up, it'll probably be Monday, but whatever. Have a great day. Bye.